Hey Dino Pals, we are back from Dr. Triassic's lair, and let me tell you, yeah, the guy can be a real jerk sometimes stealing our toys, but boy does he have a cool house, doesn't he? Wasn't that the best, seeing all those dinosaurs? Oh yeah, forgot to mention, we brought home a dinosaur toy. Would you like to see?
And a big dinosaur toy.
And a big dinosaur too. Ollie, would you like to show your fans how to do this toy?
I could open it by myself.
Well, let's see. He's starting to open it. The cardboard's cracking. Aha! It's a dino herd. Mama dinosaur and the baby dinosaurs. Check out these colors. Hey Ollie, why don't you explain what kind of dinosaurs these all are? What's this one, Ollie?
T-Rex.
A T-Rex? And what's this one, Ollie?
Pteranodon.
And what's this one, Ollie?
Dilophosaurus.
And what's this one, Ollie?
I don't know.
And do you know what this one is?
No.
Well, Ollie, you know what? It's been really fun playing with these dinosaurs, but it's such a nice day out. I think that we should go for a walk. What do you say?
Maybe we should go walk with the dinosaurs.
Let's do it. Come on, Ollie. What a beautiful day for a walk, huh, Ollie? Isn't it nice out?
Sleepy the dino dog.
Oh my gosh! It is Sweepy the Dino Delivery Dog. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, look. She has a note. Thank you, Sweepy. Thank you. Give her a kiss. Bye, Sweepy. Thank you. All right, so we're about to read the note that Sweepy, the delivery dino dog, just gave us. It says, "Dear Ollie and Laura, the dino duo, you have a package awaiting for you at the house, but first you must do an obstacle course." Well, let's see what this obstacle course is.
Okay.
All right. Cool. All right, Ollie. So the obstacle course says that we have to ride these bikes as fast as we can all the way over there to the cardboard boxes. We have to climb through the cardboard boxes and then hop on the lily pads. Whoever hops to the end of the lily pads wins. Ready?
Yeah, so you buckle my helmet.
I can totally buckle your helmet. Safety first. Are you ready for me to win?
No, I'm gonna win.
I don't think so, pal.
Yes,
Ready, set, go! Well, it's clear that I won the obstacle race.
No, I did.
Do you think the Dino Pals at home watching think you won?
Yeah, I did win.
Fine. I guess Ollie did win the obstacle race fair and square. You are now crowned king of the obstacle dino race. Check out this cool crown of his. It's a monster truck, personalized king crown, made just for Ollie.
But did you want to win?
Yeah, I did want to win.
Bye.
Thanks for reminding me. Well, I guess that means that we got to go back to the Dino Cave and open up a new package. That is, if Ollie can see. I guess if you can't see, I'll just go open up the packages.
No, you can carry me.
All right, guys, so thanks to Sweepy, the Dino Delivery Dog, we have our package at the Dino Cave. Should we open it, Ollie?
Yeah, I can open it.
All right, you go for it. You did win the race, so you get to open it.
Wow!
Wow! Cool! Velociraptor Echo, the Snap Squad. But let's see what else is in the box. Oh, what is this?
It's a monster truck.
Let's show it to the fans. It's a Hot Wheels monster truck. And it includes a Connect and Crash car.
It has a
Cool.
It has a car to run over.
It does? Show me how it works. So it just jumps over the car?
No, it runs over the car.
Drug. That's so cool how this dinosaur opens his mouth like that and just snaps. Like a little baby raptor. The raptor snaps his jaw at you. You know what's cool about this Jurassic World Snap Pack is that it got released this year. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.